Hello everybody, we're here at the Underwood's family farm in Moorpark, California. We came here to check out the pumpkin patch and all the other activities that they have to do here. It's our first time coming to a pumpkin patch, so we're very excited. Stick around so you guys can see all the things that we did here today. Take it with you, and probably at the exit I think you'll pay for it because I don't see anybody charging.
It's just the cob. She loads the cob there and it shoots out. Oh, that's loud.
There's a lot of tractor rides around here. You can see that right here there's two of them that take people around. I think that these might be free, but there's also other ones like the little ones where the kids go on, and they also have the horse ones, and those look pretty fancy. Those look pretty fun. So hopefully we try one of them. I don't know which one to pick though. There's so many options. It's very windy.
The sun is really warm and bright, but it's a little windy and pretty cold. But if you want to get out of the house, this is good. This is a good option. It's not too far from LA.
One of the things I am excited for are the pig races, so hopefully we can get a good seat because they have them every hour, but seats get packed so fast. So hopefully we can find a seat to see the pig race, and that's pretty much it.
So how many of you guys have seen our pig races before? Well, for those of you who have never been here before, I'm going to tell you how it's going to go. We have piggies in this big red barn. Everyone go, yay, piggies! They're going to come out of the chutes right around here, go all the way around the corner through the treacherous water and back in the barn, and the first piggyback wins. Does that sound good?
Yeah.
Piggy teams, we ready? There we go. All right, we'll sing. Ready? In 3, 2, 1. Animal on the farm. So what your guys' job is to guess her name. Now I'm going to start off giving you guys one easy hint. I'll tell you that chocolate. Oh my god, I just said her name. Her name is Chocolate.
Harder? Which way do you guys want to go?
Left?
Oh, wait.
Wait, oh, hey, you guys can't do that. That's bad luck. That's bad luck, bro.
You stick together.
Whoa. stir fries.
Caldos, that would be good.
Salsa, you said.
Pozole with green beans?
Sole? Salsa with green beans.
Okay, let's see who can get the biggest one. Be careful with the caterpillar shape. Caterpillar right there.
So all of these are what? Oh.
Yellow squash.
Are you all done?
Yeah, for now.
I heard that sometimes people come here when they come. I heard that when people come here, they get strawberries as well. Let's try it again. Okay. So I heard people also get strawberries when they come here. We got a lot of green beans here. This amount of green beans, and then we also got some zucchini squash.
So we're gonna go look for fruits
look
and
at
stuff.
This is beautiful.
These are carrots here. I've been wanting to pick carrots for a long time now. Let's see what we find. I'm just gonna pull it off.
Yeah, oh my
Oh.
gosh. It's so big. That's so crazy because you see this in books and in movies and all that stuff, but doing it yourself is really a different experience and makes you appreciate a little bit more what people do. Because being out here on the fields is not easy. It's so satisfying when we're thinking about.
Okay. But that's too
You're like my backpack.
Oh yeah. Okay.
We can't feed them right now. They already ate.
Yeah, so they're throwing up on people, so that's why we're not feeding. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh no. Okay, so you get your bag and then you pour it into this silt, I believe it's called. Then they pour the water for you as you shake it.
I think you dump it in there.
They don't have the ones with the minerals or gems, they just have the fossils. So it looks like they're just scooping it up.
No. You grab it, turn it sideways, and dunk it in. Grab it from that, yeah.
Ah. From up here. Shake it.
Oh, jump.
Because like that's just gonna make it another year.
Thank you.
I don't know. Medium bag. So they talking about. How much was it?
What was it? Like $6? Yeah.
So we just had a delicious slice of pumpkin pie and a baked potato. Now that we rested and we ate a little something, we're on the lookout for a pumpkin because we're gonna pick one out to hopefully carve it out tomorrow. So we're just gonna take a look at the pumpkin patch and pick out the right one.
This is like a little wheat field, huh?
Yeah. Follow the trail. I don't think it's
It smells good in here to me. What? This is why you're not supposed to put your feet on here. You mess it up. This one here is pretty good. This one here is pretty good too.
Here he comes with the wheelbarrow to the rescue to carry these big pumpkins. Found ours, maybe.
Maybe. We looked at it and it's not too bad.
I think it looks pretty. Let me see. Oh yeah, right there with that smile. Okay, we're on our way home. All right, hold on. Beautiful skies as we make our way back home. Well, actually to dinner and then home. Very beautiful. Okay, so that was our first trip to a pumpkin patch. I had so much fun. It wasn't too hot, it was a little warm, but it was also windy, so that was nice. There was a lot of things to do, so you got to pick up your pumpkin. You can also pick out vegetables like you saw us do. They had tractor rides, petting zoos, a lot of different things. So I definitely recommend that if you've never done it before to try it out. I know that I want to try it for sure next year already. It was so much fun. It's a little bummer that we tried it like a little late because tomorrow is Halloween and everything is gonna quickly change, but I'm still very glad that we tried it out. What do you think?
I liked it a lot. It was fun. I just liked that it was outdoors in the mountains. I guess when you're from a city like LA, you don't really see all the mountains. Even though they're close, you don't really see them until you go out to the valley. And so going out to the valley, the mountains, seeing the trees, seeing the green, it was just nice. And picking your own fruits and vegetables is really nice.
Yeah, we were all very surprised to see the prices. We got a very big pumpkin, a little one, some strawberries, and then other vegetables, and for all that it was $20. Very cheap, and it's nice to know that you picked it out yourself. So all in all, 10 out of 10. It was a great experience, and we hope to be back either to this one next year or maybe another one. All right, guys. Bye.